Edusoft Robotix. Comprehensive STEM and robotics solution.
Hello, students. Welcome to Edusoft Robotics. In this tutorial, we are going to play a series of different sounds in Magic Board. So, let's get started. Step 1. Open the Magic Board coding app and connect the Magic Board using a Type-C cable. Step 2. Go to the control panel, drag the play buzzer at frequency block to the programming area. Step 3. Set the frequency to 300 Hz and time to 3 seconds. Step 4. Repeat the step to multiple times and set the frequencies and times to different values such as 500 Hz for 5 seconds, 700 Hz for 7 seconds, 1000 Hz for 10 seconds, and so on. Step 5. Click on Play button to upload the code and see the Magic Board in action.